call Property Revolution. No more worries, no more stress, call Property.
Are you worried when you hire someone to do your project that they're just going to go to Home Depot and round up some guys in the parking lot and say, hey, go to Mrs. Jones' house and get her roof done? One of the most common questions we get asked here is, do you use subcontractors? Most of our work is completed by W-2 employees that are employees year-round for Property Revolution. But there are times that it makes sense for us to use someone on a contract basis. We've had a few employees of ours shift over to a contract basis because it works better for pay structure or their flexibility that they need if they want to work seasonally or something like that. And other times, in order to ramp up production, if like a storm comes through or we're a little busier than we expect, we do bring on subcontractors at that time to be able to ramp up production. Our commitment to you here at Property Revolution, though, is if we have a subcontractor on your property, there's always a Property Revolution employee assigned to that job site. That employee is your main point of contact. They're the ones that are checking the work to make sure it's done right. And they're also going to invite you to do a final walk around at the end of the project to make sure that things are done properly and make sure that the cleanup is done to our standards. So I hope this answers that question for you. If you have other questions or concerns about that, feel free to reach out to us.
Property Revolution. No more worries, no more stress, call Property